Hello lovelies, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in to this recipe we are cooking. Easy peanut soup recipe. I have my meat, chicken and stockfish, onion, salt. I'll add in my native Maggi, which is a right here. Now I'll add in combination of pepper, onion and crayfish. I'll cover it and simmer it on a low heat for 20 minutes. So here is it. I'll add in my blended peanuts and I'll give it a good stir. For those of you always returning to watch my videos, share my videos, comment on my videos, like my videos, may the good Lord bless you all. I really appreciate your love and support. Keep sharing, keep commenting, keep subscribing. I added pepper and bitter leaf. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification and be a member of the family so that anytime we upload videos you will be notified. Feel free to also check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So I gave it a good stir and I added vegetable oil. I covered and I cook it again for another 20 minutes on a low heat. So now I'm adding my mushrooms. So I'll stir and cover and allow it to steam just for another 1 minute. So as you can see guys, we have come to the end of this cooking. Our peanut soup is ready. I paired mine with rice swallow. Check my videos out. It will pop out on the left side of this video. Enjoy. Bye.